Have you ever felt your heart race or your muscles tense up when a sudden loud sound catches you off guard? It is a common experience, but for some, this reaction becomes an overwhelming fear that can significantly impact daily life. Managing the fear of loud noises, often referred to as phonophobia or lygerophobia, involves a combination of understanding your reaction, practicing calming techniques, and gradually reintroducing yourself to controlled sounds in a safe way. This heightened sensitivity often stems from our natural fight or flight response. When your brain perceives a loud noise as a threat, it triggers a cascade of stress hormones, preparing your body to either confront or escape, even if there is no actual danger. To begin managing this, start by identifying your specific triggers. Pay attention to which noises cause the most distress and note their intensity and frequency. Next, practice simple breathing exercises. Breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 7, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. This technique helps to calm your nervous system. Also, when you anticipate a loud noise, gently place your hands over your ears or use earplugs to soften the impact, gradually reducing this protection over time. A key strategy is a technique called systematic desensitization. This involves creating a list of feared sounds, ranked from least to most intense. You then slowly expose yourself to these sounds, starting with the least frightening, perhaps by listening to very quiet recordings of them. Over time, you gradually increase the volume and duration, allowing your brain to habituate and realize these sounds are not inherently dangerous. By systematically and gently addressing your reactions to loud noises, you empower yourself to regain control. You are teaching your nervous system that these sounds are safe, transforming a startling experience into something you can comfortably navigate and helping you to live with greater calm and confidence.